of July, everybody. We're doing a little cooking here. Little griddle cooking tonight. Little on the 4th of July. We got the potatoes and onions going. We're going to do some hot dogs, and of course we've got some hamburgers, and just a little small group here tonight. But we've been just cooking up a storm all weekend. Saturday was smoked a brisket, grilled chicken thighs, took it out to a party a friend of ours had. Sunday was DeCarlo's homemade pizza party here at the house, celebrating Josh's birthday. My son turned 23. Yesterday we were out on the boat, had all kinds of fun food out there. Era did a whole Laotian meal for us, and we just had a blast. So tonight we're just doing this. Gonna probably go see the Bentonville fireworks and party. Yeah, we got these potatoes and onions. They're kind of the feature, but off to the side we got these hamburgers. Just getting started. Little hot dogs on there too. Oh, it's looking good. Trying to keep everything separate, you know, the hot dogs from the hamburgers. We got those beautiful potatoes and onions right in the middle. It's looking good, looking good.